The NEUTON pump module addresses two key concerns. The first is the cost of installation. It reduces the amount of piping that's required and the size of the piping, so it lowers the first cost of installing chill beam technology. Secondly, it overcomes the major concern, which is having condensation on these chilled beams. There was a need for addressing the problem of condensation of moisture on these active chilled beams in a space in the U.S. where we have much higher humidity conditions. Winning the AHR Expo Innovation Award is a confirmation of the technology leadership of the company SEMCO. It's my first time at the Innovation Awards, and I'm very excited to see the other products that have been nominated or have been given awards. It's safe to say that the people that are participating in Innovation Awards are the innovators in our industry. And it's great to be amongst your peers with people that are spending their time thinking about where the industry needs to go as opposed to looking in the rearview mirror and saying, where have we been?